introduce us from Group 1. I'm Tias, and my two friends are Agis and Vita. I will explain about how to create an engaging lesson plan for elementary school students. A learning implementation plan is a plan that describes the procedure and implementation of learning to achieve the basic competencies specified in the content standards and described in the syllabus. Are you ready to listen our explanation? The step in creating learning implementation plan are: Number 1, write down the subject identity, which include education units, class or semester, subject or lesson names, time, location, and number of meetings. Number 2, write down competency standard. Competency standard are the minimum ability qualification of students that describe the mastery of knowledge, attitude, and skills that are expected to be achieved in each class and subject. In this section, subject competency standards are written simply by quoting the content, standard, or learning syllabus that the teacher has created. Number 3, write down basic competencies. Basic competencies are number of abilities that students must master in certain subject as a reference for preparing competencies indicators in a subject. In this section, the basic competencies that students must have after the learning process and ends are written simply by quoting the content standard or learning syllabus that the teacher has created. And number 4, write down indicators of competencies achievement. Competencies indicators are behavior that can be measured and or observed to show the achievement of certain basic competencies that become a subject reference for subject assessment. Indicators of competency achievement are formulated using operational verbs that can be observed and measured, which include knowledge, attitudes, and skill. In creating these indicators, teacher also need to look at the same basic competencies in the class before and after, so they can be more precise in determining indicators according to the class where the basic competencies are taught.
Number 5, formulate learning objective. Learning objectives describe the learning process and outcome the students are expected to achieve in accordance with basic competencies. Learning objectives are required based on competency standard, basic competencies, and indicators that have been determined. This goal and focus depending on the indicator formulated for the competencies standard and basic competencies in the content standard in the mathematics subject the student will study. Number 6, writing teacher material. Teaching material contains relevant fact, concept, precedent, and procedure, and are written in bullet or according to the formula of competency achievement indicator. Number 7, determine the learning method that will be used. Learning methods are used by teachers to create a learning atmosphere and learning process to the study, achieve basic competencies, or a set of predetermined indicators. The choice of learning method is adjusted to the situation and condition of the student as well as to characteristics of each indicator and competency to the achieved in each subject in the section of the method that will be used during the learning process are already.
A. Formulate learning activities. The formulation of learning activities consists of A. Preliminary activities. Initial activities aimed at generating motivation and focusing students' attention to actively participate in the learning process. B. Core activities. Learning activities are carried out in an interactive, inspiring, fun, challenging manner, motivate students to participate actively and provide sufficient space for initiative, creativity and independence in accordance with the student's talents, interests, and physical and physiological development. C. And activities. This activity is an activity carried out to end learning activities which can be carried out in the form of a summary or conclusion, assessment and reflection, feedback and follow-up. 9. Determine learning media or tools or materials or resources. Determination of learning resources is based on competence dasar and basic competence, as well as teaching materials, learning activities, and indicator of competence achievement. 10. Assessment of learning outcomes, procedures, and instruments for assessing learning processes and outcomes are adjusted to indicators of competency achievement and refer to assessment standards.